Gujarat, a state nestled on the western coast of India, is a land of captivating contrasts. It is a vibrant tapestry woven with rich history, diverse culture, and a thriving economy. From the ancient ruins of the Indus Valley civilization to the modern metropolis of Ahmedabad, Gujarat offers a glimpse into India's glorious past and promising future. This essay will delve into the multifaceted aspects of Gujarat, exploring its geography, history, culture, economy, and tourism potential. Gujarat is renowned for its entrepreneurial spirit and has been a cradle of trade and commerce for centuries. The state's strategic location on the Arabian Sea has made it a gateway to the world. Its people are known for their warmth, hospitality, and business acumen. With its unique blend of tradition and modernity, Gujarat stands as a shining example of India's progress and resilience. Gujarat's cultural heritage is as diverse as its landscapes. The state is home to a plethora of festivals, each celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. From the energetic Garba dances during Navratri to the kite-flying frenzy of Uttarayan, Gujarat's festive spirit is infectious. The state's cuisine is equally enticing, with its delectable vegetarian dishes and sweet treats that tantalize the taste buds. Gujarat's geographical diversity is truly remarkable. It boasts a coastline stretching over 1,600 kilometers, adorned with pristine beaches and bustling ports. The Gulf of Kutch, a shallow gulf known for its marine life, indents the coastline, creating a unique ecosystem. Inland, Gujarat's landscape transforms into arid plains, dotted with salt deserts and scrub forests. The Rann of Kutch, a vast expanse of salt marshes, is a sight to behold, especially during the full moon when it shimmers under the moonlight. The Aravalli Range, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, traverses the eastern part of the state, offering breathtaking views and trekking opportunities. Gujarat's diverse geography is a testament to nature's artistry. Gujarat's rivers, including the Sabarmati, Narmada, and Tapi, are lifelines, providing water for irrigation and supporting a rich biodiversity. The state's forests, though not as dense as those in other parts of India, are home to a variety of flora and fauna, including the endangered Asiatic lion, found nowhere else in the world. Gujarat's natural wonders are a source of pride and inspiration for its people. Gujarat's cities are a fascinating blend of history, culture, and modernity. Ahmedabad, the largest city and former capital, is a bustling metropolis with a rich Mughal heritage. Its historic walled city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of narrow streets lined with intricately carved wooden havelis and bustling bazaars. Surat, known as the Diamond City of India, is a major centre for diamond cutting and polishing. Vadodara, the cultural capital of Gujarat, is renowned for its palaces, museums, and gardens. Rajkot, an industrial hub, is also known for its association with Mahatma Gandhi, who spent his formative years in the city. Bhavnagar, a port city on the Gulf of Khambat, is known for its shipbuilding industry and historical significance. Each city in Gujarat has its own unique character and charm. They are centers of trade, commerce, education, and culture, attracting people from all over India and the world. The state government's focus on infrastructure development and urban planning has transformed these cities into modern metropolises while preserving their historical and cultural heritage. Gujarat's history is as rich and diverse as its landscapes. The state has been ruled by a succession of dynasties and empires, each leaving its mark on its culture and architecture. Archaeological evidence suggests that Gujarat was a part of the Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's oldest urban civilizations. The ancient cities of Lothal and Dholavira, located in Gujarat, are testaments to the ingenuity and advanced urban planning of this ancient civilization. During the medieval period, Gujarat was ruled by the Solanki dynasty, who built magnificent temples and stepwells. The Rani Ki Vav, a stepwell in Patan, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an architectural marvel. The state also flourished under the rule of the Gujarat Sultanate, with Ahmedabad becoming a major center of trade and commerce. The Mughal Empire's reign in the 16th century brought about a fusion of architectural styles as seen in the mosques and tombs built during this era. The Maratha Empire's control in the 18th century brought about a period of political instability. Gujarat eventually came under British rule in the 19th century and became a part of independent India in 1947. The state has played a significant role in India's independence movement, with Mahatma Gandhi leading the way. Section 5. Cultural Mosaic, a tapestry of traditions. Gujarat is renowned for its vibrant culture and rich traditions. The state is a melting pot of diverse communities, each with its unique customs and beliefs. Navratri, a 9-night festival dedicated to goddess Durga, is celebrated with nightly garba and dandiya ras dances. Uttarayan, the international kite festival, fills Gujarat's skies with colourful kites every January. Gujarat's festivals and cultural events offer a glimpse into its rich heritage, making it a fascinating destination. Section 6. Economic Powerhouse. Gujarat's growth story. Gujarat has emerged as one of India's leading economic powerhouses. The state has consistently ranked among the top performers in terms of economic growth, industrial output, and investment attraction. Gujarat's economic success can be attributed to its business-friendly policies, robust infrastructure, and strategic location. The state is a major manufacturing hub, with industries ranging from textiles and chemicals to pharmaceuticals and automobiles. Gujarat is known as the Manchester of India due to its large-scale textile industry, which contributes significantly to the state's economy. The state is also a major centre for diamond cutting and polishing, with Surat being the world's largest diamond cutting and polishing centre. Gujarat's long coastline and strategic location have made it a gateway for international trade. The state has several major ports, including Kandla, Mundra and Pipavav, which handle a significant volume of India's maritime trade. The state government's focus on infrastructure development, including the construction of new highways, airports and power plants, has further boosted Gujarat's economic growth. Gujarat is also a pioneer in renewable energy, with the state being home to one of the world's largest solar parks. Gujarat's economic success story is a testament to its entrepreneurial spirit, skilled workforce and supportive government policies. The state continues to attract significant investments, both domestic and foreign, further fueling its economic growth. Section 7. Tourism treasures exploring Gujarat's gems. Gujarat's diverse landscapes, rich history and vibrant culture make it a fascinating tourist destination. From ancient temples and historical monuments to pristine beaches and wildlife sanctuaries, Gujarat has something to offer every traveller. For history buffs, the state offers a plethora of options. The ancient city of Lothal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provides a glimpse into the Indus Valley civilization. The Rani Ki Vav, a stepwell in Patan, is an architectural marvel and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Champagne Pavagad Archaeological Park, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to ancient Hindu and Jain temples, mosques and tombs, showcasing a blend of Hindu and Islamic architectural styles. Nature lovers can explore the Gir Forest National Park, the last abode of the Asiatic lion. The park is home to a variety of other wildlife, including leopards, deer, and over 300 species of birds. The Rann of Kutch, a vast expanse of salt marshes, is a sight to behold, especially during the full moon. The state also has several beaches, including Manvi, Diu, and Somnath, which offer a relaxing getaway. Gujarat also hosts several cultural events and festivals throughout the year, providing a glimpse into the state's rich traditions. The Navratri festival, with its colourful garba and dandiya ras dances, is a major tourist attraction. The Rann Utsav, a cultural extravaganza held during the winter months in the Rann of Kutch, is a celebration of the region's art, craft, music and dance. Gujarat's tourism industry has witnessed significant growth in recent years, driven by the state government's efforts to promote tourism and improve infrastructure. Section 8. Culinary Delights, a gastronomic journey. Gujarati cuisine is known for its vegetarian dishes, sweet and spicy flavors, and use of lentils, vegetables, and milk products. The state's strategic location on the coast has also influenced its cuisine, with seafood being a popular ingredient in coastal areas. One of the most popular Gujarati dishes is dokla, a steamed savory cake made from fermented rice and chickpea flour. Kanvi, another popular snack, is made from gram flour and yogurt, rolled into thin sheets and tempered with mustard seeds and curry leaves. Thepla, a flatbread made from wheat flour, fenugreek leaves and spices, is a staple breakfast item in many Gujarati households. Undiyu, a mixed vegetable casserole, is a winter specialty and is often prepared during festivals and special occasions. Fafta, a crispy fried snack made from gram flour, is a popular street food item, often served with jalebi, a sweet deep-fried pretzel. Gujarati cuisine also boasts a wide variety of sweets, including basundi, a sweet thickened milk, shrikand, a strained yogurt dessert, and mohanthal, a fudge-like sweet made from gram flour and sugar. Gujarati cuisine offers a delightful culinary experience with its unique flavors, textures, and aromas. The state's many restaurants and street food stalls offer a chance to savor the diverse flavors of Gujarati cuisine. Section 9, Conclusion. Gujarat, a state of limitless potential. Gujarat, with its rich history, diverse culture, thriving economy and warm hospitality, is a microcosm of India's progress and potential. The state has successfully blended its traditional values with modern outlook, emerging as a role model for other states to emulate. From the ancient ruins of the Indus Valley civilization to the modern metropolis of Ahmedabad, Gujarat offers a fascinating journey through time. Its people's entrepreneurial spirit, coupled with the government's proactive policies, has propelled the state to the forefront of India's economic growth. Gujarat's tourism potential remains largely untapped, with its diverse landscapes, historical monuments, and cultural attractions waiting to be explored. As Gujarat continues to grow and prosper, it remains committed to sustainable development, ensuring that its rich heritage and natural beauty are preserved for generations to come. Gujarat truly embodies the spirit of vibrant Gujarat, inviting the world to witness its unique charm and contribute to its continued success.